In this video, we are going to install Nilight 9005 LED bulbs. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. "500% brighter than your standard halogen bulbs. Canvas-ready design with anti-radio interference. Non-polarity, easy plug and play. Made of aluminum-grade aviation alloy. On the bottom, we have your turbo cooling fan, which spins at 12,000 RPM. Operating temperatures are 185 to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Color temperature is 65K, 14,000 lumens. They are IP67 waterproof and uses 70 watts per set. Includes a pair of white gloves, a few zip ties, and a couple of adhesives, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. We're gonna install this on the high beam of a 2010 Toyota Prius. To remove the bulb, you want to grab the socket and twist it counterclockwise and pull out. Right, just like that. Now you want to push this right here and pull out the bulb. Then you go ahead and grab your bulb. We're gonna go ahead and align it into the hole. Make sure the tabs align correctly and then turn to lock it into place. Once you lock that into place, go ahead and grab the harness and just plug that in till you hear a snap. Now you can get your zip ties and go ahead and strap that into place. Before I do that, we're gonna go ahead and test it to make sure it works. Here we have your high beams. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.